guys, it's Maddie on Maddie's World, and today I'm going to be showing you my slimes, but I don't have much. I only have 2. So I have this big giant purple slime. It's really big, and it's really clicky, and it can make really good bubbles. So yeah. I wasn't trying to make a bubble, I was just... Okay, that's my first slime. My next slime, I just made this like a few minutes ago. I had a whole bunch of slimes, but my whole bunch of slimes, I'll show you right now. This is my whole bunch of slimes all joined together. This is a new channel, so this is my first video. Sorry, I haven't done an introducing yet. I will do an introducing. So please like and subscribe. And shall we try and get this video to 100 likes, maybe? It keeps kind of snapping. It's tough and stretchy. I can do a video how to make slime as well. Yeah, so I might be doing mostly slime videos because I really like slime. And it's like my new favourite thing. I have some other channels as well called MG Productions, Maddie's World, and the Two Awesome Sisters. Maddie's World is this channel, but I have the Two Awesome Sisters with my sister, and MG Productions with my twin, or is she my best friend? She could be my twin and she could be my best friend. So yeah, I'll put this one back in this jar. I'll try to make noises. Oh, I can't do it in now. And comment down below any video ideas, maybe to do with slime, because I might be doing probably lots of slime videos. I can also do skits, and which is like pretending basically. So yeah, bye guys, thanks for watching. As I said, don't forget to subscribe and like, and comment down below if you like any video ideas or if you like slime, and look at the size difference of these. This keeps like, it's going to tip off like this way. It makes, oh no, I just got them joined together. I'm just going to see what it would look like if they got joined together. Just get a mini piece of each. Join. Mixing. So yeah. Bye!